I just scratch from my head. Yeah.
Like a sprain.
Yeah, see.
Oh.
Yeah. Look away now. I'm gonna scratch from my big head. See?
You don't like it up on all.
But it can't work now. It can't go down home. Your one bigger?
My head or my head?
Now I'll go be a subdose fly up. Hey folks! Good morning and welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. It is New Year's Eve, which means it's the final day of 2018, believe it or not. We welcome everyone on onespotmedia.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at SmileJamTVJ, and also on televisionjamaica.com. Give thanks, thank God, we're here.
Yeah.
And close to another one.
Yeah.
You get all in the system.
I know.
Don't.
I know, that's
Scratch
true.
on top of me. You know. Sparkles.
Almost like the other day you said it. Yeah? 1 January,
Yeah.
a couple of months ago, you were like,
And every time I say it's almost Christmas, everybody says, you know something nice about Christmas. Well,
by the time we look,
how much time I tell you this? Like when I was a little boy, my birthday took 6 and 7 years to reach. All of a sudden, every other month it seemed like it's my birthday.
are you wearing your hat or are you
I
not?
must wear it?
Because if you're not wearing yours, then I look ridiculous. But
You don't look ridiculous. You're gorgeous. I love that. Just by you look gorgeous. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year's Eve. You know what it is? You're not wearing it right.
No, I must wear it.
There you
My
go.
head big.
This is true.
No, my head don't big. They head small.
Okay.
It's good?
His head is big. Not sure what's going on with my voice this morning, but
So me I wear. Match my jacket too.
yes, Unique planned it
And yours
just
match
right.
your thingamajigama.
Not really,
It's
but
very nice. I like it.
appreciate it. Thank you
Yeah.
very much.
So folks,
Yeah.
New Year's Eve, but I suspect you're all working this morning, don't? It's not a regular working day, don't it?
I think most people would have probably taken vacation, but some people,
So it's not a holiday though.
No.
New Year's Eve is not a holiday.
no.
New Year's Day is a holiday.
Yes. So most people will be off tomorrow.
Yeah.
Today, not so much. So if you're going to work today, sorry, but thank you for waking up with us. We appreciate it.
And we're working.
We always at work.
Yeah.
Work. That is
Yeah.
our middle name. We have to go change our pretend to
Yeah, but give thanks. You know, 'cause plenty of people don't have no work and have nothing to do and can't buy nothing and stuff. So give thanks.
Yeah, but-
It's plenty work, but we never work so hard.
No, you say.
And we could make more money and work less, I think. Because we are good servants, don't it, of the people? We're working for the people,
Yes.
don't it? So we can get that.
Which consequence are you running for?
It's
is your
like it's
constituency?
so like it's a politician a
Politician.
while ago.
Right
we are
away.
working for the people. But we
Actually,
are.
do.
We do.
It's true.
We
You're
do
absolutely
work
right.
for the people. All right, so we have a full show as we always do. Not because you can imagine. No, look. I just look down again and say Monday, December 31, 2018. Yeah.
That's it, guys.
I can remember just a couple of days ago. Remember when they were so when I reached 2000, because the world
Y2K.
was end and all kind of stuff.
If you're flying is a
Remember?
problem, everything go mashed down.
Yeah, and we're not going to reach 2000
I know.
and all kind of stuff. And then we hear say New Zealand did reach it the day before. So we said, well, maybe we're going to be all right. Well, now 18 years later. Eh?
Man, 2020 is on us like that, you know.
Whew.
Anywho,
Yeah, well, time fly whether you're having fun or not.
yes.
What's on the show this morning?
Here's what's going on this morning. We've got a little less than 18 hours left till the clock strikes midnight. So we're going to spend our last few minutes of Smile 2018 to reflect on a few memorable moments.
How are you spending your final moments of 2018? Well, we're going to get the party started with a dab of DIY, plus bite-sized binges sure to make your taste buds pop.
All right, popping off the cork. Probably the most fun part of toasting off to the year ahead. Stopping by later, our resident mixologist, Captain Kidd.
No, you may say you're not supposed to make no noise when you pop it.
Yes,
I thought, but the pop was the fun part.
it is
No?
for most people, but
You go pop, and the man say,
says-
"Brrr," everybody
Deborah
ball
said you're
out.
not supposed to hear it. That's what she told me.
But no, that's gonna spoil a little fun.
I don't even know how you did that because if I
Yeah,
say
but just take
if
your
I say
time.
the
You have to take
champagne
your
bottle
time.
have more pressure than a
Yeah, but you have to
tire.
take your time.
Oh, you take your time and take out that cork.
I want to sneeze.
Ah,
Oh,
bless
see.
you, bless you, bless you, bless you. Swallow it. Just. Is that good? Tasty?
This one still feels
That
sneezy,
nose?
but not this one.
So wiggle this nose. All right.
All right, we'll find out what Captain Kidd has to say. I'm not kidding when I tell you over 1 million people gather in Times Square for the famous ball drop
Yes.
at midnight. And later we'll tell you more of those interesting New Year's Eve.
I went there one year.
New Year's Eve?
Froze my tail off.
New Year's Eve? Never been there.
When the ball dropped.
Actually, I don't think I've ever been to Times Square.
Yeah, really?
I don't think I've ever been to Times
You
Square.
should go. It's an experience.
Have I? Probably have, you know. Probably have, but I haven't been to New York since the 70s.
A lot
Have I?
might have changed.
Have I? I think I did. I actually think I did. But I can't remember anything about Times Square, so maybe I didn't.
Okay.
What is big station name?
Grand Central?
I've been to Grand Central. Maybe that's where I went. I've been to Grand Central Station, but I don't think I've been
come
to.
out of Grand Central.
You're into Times Square?
Really into Times Square, you're not far from.
I know I've been to Grand Central, but I can't remember being to Times Square. Times Square is what? A park or what? Is what? Just a.
It's a square, like you have a town center.
And then
square,
yeah, I think
tons
I've
of
been there.
buildings
Yeah. I
and
think I've been there.
Okay.
Can't remember though. But
All right. And the fact that we've had the last straw when it comes to plastic, no surprise, but some people are saying ban is too soon while others are ready to hop on the plastic-free plane. We're going to have the Honourable Minister, the Honourable Darrell Vaz here to talk about this topic. But first we do our hot topic.
hold on, before the hot topics, I went to the supermarket yesterday.
Yeah.
And the supermarket lady said, "Here, Neville," and she gave me 3 bags
Yes.
at Golden
Some of them
Grocery.
are going to grocery.
Yeah. So she gave me 3 bags. I said, but
I love
what if I
going
forget them?
grocery.
Because she's going to start selling them apparently.
I should give 3.
Yeah.
So you owe her some money.
Yeah, what
You
is
can't step into the new year without that's
Yeah.
never.
it?
Pay your bills.
Is me alone feel hot?
No, yes, actually. It's coming up now. You don't feel like a breeze coming? It's about to get crazy up
Hot
in
topics
here.
time, folks. I'm going to take off this because I start sweat.
No.
See, it's me a sweat. What?
Can you take off your...
Me a sweat.
No, no.
I don't know I sweat. I mean, I sweat.
Have glitter onto my face?
No.
Okay, good. All right. No fallback in here, guys. Very so. Okay, so first hot topic for this morning. Education Minister Will Reid set to intervene in the case of a 13-year-old boy who's been blocked from classes at the Little London High School since November for allegedly using expletives in the presence of a teacher.
When they say in the presence of a teacher, it means him just cuss about than the teacher here, or he cursed the teacher,
No, it says in the presence of.
which would sound like him just cuss about than the
And the
teacher
teacher
here.
heard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It says under the regulations, students who have been suspended from a school for a maximum of 10 days without notification of any subsequent action or decision taken by the authorities during that period cannot be further punished for the same offense. During this initial 10 days, the student must be informed of any further action taken, such as expulsion. Only the board of directors of a school has the power to expel a student.
The mom is saying that, excuse me, guys, her son has been denied entry to classes since mid-November when
Which
he
is
was
much more than 10 days.
sent home with a letter that a parent would have to accompany him to a meeting before he could return to class. Says she's been trying without success to get the school to give her formal notification on what is going to happen with her child. Sunday Gleaner spoke with the principal of the school last week. He denied that he expelled the child, but he apparently has provided no information as to why the 13-year-old is being denied entry to classes. So hopefully we'll get a resolve to this. He can just stay home or go along. So, and if there's a reason that the school is not having him back in, then the parent needs to know so she can make alternate arrangements.
And if the
for her
10
son.
days is up, then he should be back at school, unless
Yeah.
you're going to kick him out.
Yeah.
And if you're not going to kick him out, then he should be back
How
at
school's
school.
supposed to start next
Next
week?
Monday, the 7th. Well, I know St. George's starts on the 7th.
Okay.
All right, the city of Atlanta, Georgia is to have a new statue of its most famous son, Martin Luther King Jr. That should happen by the end of next year, which starts tomorrow. And,
Wow.
yeah, what's the big story here?
The city has apparently chosen Jamaica's Basil Watson to
Amazing.
create this statue, which is such an honor. Basil Watson has done some great work here in Jamaica. He's a renowned sculptor, and this is a huge project. Word, they say, of his selection came in July, but Watson had to contain his excitement and remain tight-lipped about the commission until the contractual arrangements were finally settled in mid-December. So, when completed, the new statue is going to be a double life-sized creation, 12 feet in height, cast in bronze and mounted on a 6-foot pedestal, and it's going to be located on Martin Luther King Drive, downtown Atlanta, near to the CNN headquarters.
Brilliant.
That is fantastic.
Brilliant. Congratulations, sir. Brilliant. All right, enough is enough, says the headline. Greater help coming for women in 2019 to escape domestic violence. And this is coming from the Minister with Responsibility for Gender Affairs. And I quote, in recent times, you've heard many horrific cases of domestic violence. The war against intimate partner violence will not be one if we do not work with our men and boys. And she says, I'll be doing more work with the local men's groups through the men's department at the Bureau of Gender Affairs while strengthening the policy side of reframing positive masculinity. There you go.
What's the tagline they're using again? Something, no excuse, no abuse. I don't remember what it is. But...
We have launched the online gender-based violence platform, which is www.breakthesilencetoday.com. I don't know if this is deliberately, if they left out the A deliberately.
I don't think so.
So it seems to be break, B-R-E-K, thesilencetoday.com. All the other words are spelt the way they ought to be. I don't know if that's a mistake here or it's...
I really hope we can stem this trend that has been going on for 2018.
It's crazy though. Why? I don't know why you would want to hit a woman in the first place, but where's your partner, you know? And it don't make any sense.
Beyond hitting.
It don't make any sense.
This year was such a strange year. People getting in domestic disputes and people ending up dead.
Yeah, it don't make any sense at all.
So it's a mental health issue too, but I guess the program will address.
And I don't know where we get it from, you know, because I mean, I've said so many times in a very serious way, oh, my mother beat me, Papa. I've never hit anyone. I've never hit my kids.
The violence affects different people in different ways.
Yeah.
So.
As Mama used to. Oh, poor Mama. I know you didn't mean well, you know, Mama, but may I tell you, them will lock you up if you were around today and feel so me that will bring food for you. Just give me some good lick.
Okay.
Think it work?
No. I don't beat my child.
No, I say
On
you
you?
think it work.
Is that a serious question or a trick question? Thank you, Benji. I think it might have made it worse.
When I say if you think it work, I'll bring us up. Like if I say, but me look, me tell you now, look why.
I don't believe in beating your child up. No. I got beaten too and I never like it. So
when Camila was probably about 9, and I she misbehaved and I just drape her and I just say, we knock off here, you know. I never do anything. About 11 o'clock, so we have them. She and Kareem and said, Daddy, were you really going to hit me? So I said, no. And she just looked at Kareem and says, I told you.
Yeah. There are some parents who take out a lot. They go through a lot, and the kid is the outlet, which is not fair. So I really hope we can make some inroads into that for 2019.
All right, time for some birthdays. I don't have none still enough, but I was supposed to tell my friend happy birthday on Friday, and I didn't. So
hey, this is very
No, because I sent out the word
this is
that
like the third morning. You have no
I
birthdays.
can't be doing this birthday. Because people here giving me a hard time, you know. What you say? Birthday. Only like when I do the
Everybody's wondering what's going on.
Belated happy birthday to Carla Bryan, whose birthday was on Friday, and I should have done it on Friday, and I didn't. So I hope you had a great day, great weekend, and I pray that you live to see many, many more. She's my good friend. All right, so the people don't like that, so back on the birthday trail. Well, and when doing it, I'll be here tomorrow. We'll be here tomorrow, because we have a best of thing that we did. So we'll be here tomorrow, but, you know, all right, Thursday, I'm let off our birthday. So if it's in the birthday, Thursday,
Thursday, I have 1?
No, 2.
I'm not saying you must solicit them, because you know what happens when that happens.
Yeah.
But it's just odd that...
Yeah.
I know.
Happy birthday, folks. Have a great day.
Very odd.